Here we are. Stock music means it's another travel video with the boys. This time in beautiful Hamburg, soaking it in. Off the train, beautiful Hamburg, lovely. Well, the boys checking out Mr. Dancing Bear. Oh, Rob's liking what he sees, going back for some more. The always exciting left to right camera pan. First German lunch, lovely.
Are you videoing?
Yes, I am, big sexy. The boys walking to the bars, standing with their kiosk beers. We never went anywhere without a road beer. Beautiful currywurst dinner. Look at that. Gorgeous. At the Drip Bar, having some peanut salt whiskey. Thank you to Bob Mortimer for the recommendations.
Hamburg, I got my ass right in here. Is it light tight here? Okay, let's go. Oh, lovely sweet taste. It's beautiful. Cheers to Hamburg Plus.
More from Schooner Wong later. Here we go, day 2, starting off with a walking tour. Another pan shot of the Rathaus. Checking out the canals during low tide. Going to use my podcast voice to ask everyone to like and subscribe. If we get over 1,000 followers, Schooner Wong will be schooning a Holstein in his next trip. Post-walking tour pub. It's just full of clocks. More walking. Jake's already at 32,000 steps at this point. Heading down to the Elbe Tunnel, one of the highlights of this trip. Beautiful looking lifts and or elevators, depending on where you're from. But it's got nothing on the Greenwich Foot Tunnel. Who am I kidding? It's an elevator. Another exciting pan shot. Here we have Jez enjoying his fish sandwich, not knowing that moments after, he'll get pooped on by a seagull. There he is. Look at him, post-poop. Still a champ. Ferry's going, heading towards the beach. Beautiful, lovely beach. Spent a few hours just staring at big boats. Just 4 old men looking at boats and drinking beer.
Remove the hood.
What the heck was that? Moving on, another beautiful, healthy currywurst dinner. No explanation needed in that photo.
Scoot along here. This is the beautiful Hamburg, day 2. We're at the bar. It's beautiful atmosphere.
Didn't accept
Got
cash.
some nice pills there. No cash, but no problem, because we've got
That's why they
Jez.
only accept the cash.
We got Jay the Jez, the genius right here.
And that guy. And that guy over
Scooter.
there. That guy over there. Can you move the cake?
Beautiful Pilsner. Hamburg, you are lovely.
Poor form there, Schooner Wong. Missed out on the Hattie Jacob shout out. Finally had our Labscouse lunch at this restaurant where the building is just leaning and slanting forward. Very cool. Walking towards Speierstadt. Lovely brick buildings. Try to get into mini world, but no such luck. The curve escalator, made famous by Mr. Bob Mortimer. Again, thank you for the recommendations. Takes us here to the platform where we get to enjoy some nice 360 views of Hamburg. Ending our Hamburg trip with a view of Mickey right here, just like the Hamburg sailors of old. Thanks for watching. Follow my OnlyFans at Scootness Wong.